Hello everybody and welcome to IGL Coatings Australia and welcome to Stockton Beach. In this video, I'm going to try to shed some light into the durability rating for IGL Aegis. It's a popular product, a lot of people are inquiring about it, and the most common question is how long does it last? And 6,000 salt spray hours confuses some people. Some people think that's 6,000 hours of driving on the beach. Others think it's 6,000 hours of it being applied on your car. Unfortunately, both of those explanations are incorrect. It is 6,000 hours in an accelerated corrosion chamber under ASTM B117. And what does that mean? It is where you accelerate corrosion. Companies around the world that deal with industrial coatings, and it applies to every industrial coating for that matter, not just IGL, they put a coated sample inside a chamber, and that chamber continuously sprays a hot, salty water mixture onto that surface until the coating breaks down and until that substrate starts rusting. And this test is an international test. It's like when you look at a car and you look at the horsepower ratings. You don't question if Porsche's horsepower is the same as Holden's horsepower or BMW's horsepower is the same as Mercedes's horsepower. You just know that there's an international test that's calibrated where all these manufacturers test the engines for the same kind of result. So this ASTM gives you an hour rating, and think of it like the horsepower of a anti-corrosion coating. And we have 6,000 hours in that test. How does this 6,000 hours translate for you as a consumer? It depends on your environment. No different to horsepower from an engine. You can't determine the 0 to 100 or the quarter mile by just looking at the horsepower. You can definitely tell it's a lot of power by looking at the horsepower, but you can't get an exact number because you have to factor in the torque of the engine, the weight of the car, four-wheel drive, front-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive, etc. That's the same with anti-corrosion coatings. So 6,000 hours is a number that you can use to compare apples with apples. So let's talk about two other examples. There's a product called Nylac. It's been around for ages. It's a well-respected anti-corrosion coating that has an ASTM rating of 1,000 hours. When you compare 1,000 to 6,000, you can automatically determine that IGL Aegis will last 6 times longer. So if you're an engineer working in a mine and you have been using Nylac and it lasts you 1 year, you look at the specifications of IGL Aegis, you know it's going to last you 6 years because that's the environment that you're dealing with. Same with polyurethane. So they are rated for 2,000 salt spray hours. We are 6,000, so we will last 3 times longer. And you can go and do your own research by finding a product that you like to use, whether it's lanolin or Bowden's or Chassis Shield or whatever it is, contacting the manufacturer for the salt spray test results. If they're an industrial coating or if they are a big company, they should have that, and they will give you that number, and then you can use that number to compare it with 6,000 hours. And if, let's say, Chassis Shield lasts you 6 months between applications or even 1 month, you compare that number of hours to IGL Aegis and you just multiply how much longer IGL will last, and that's how long it's going to last in your case. So hopefully this hasn't confused you too much. Hopefully this has shed some light on the durability, and realistically speaking, if you're like me and you hit the beach every now and again, it's going to last the lifetime of the vehicle. If you don't go on the beach at all, it's going to last the lifetime of the vehicle. If you go onto the beach every week, it's probably going to last you many, many years. You just have to be careful where you bottom out and you drive through ruts and hills and other stuff where the sand is hitting the body and removing that coating, it's sandblasting it off. You just have to reapply it. But wherever this anti-corrosion coating, IGL Aegis, remains, it's probably going to last the lifetime of the car, or if not, many, many years. That's why I'm here enjoying my car on the sand. So hopefully this has informed you on how to calculate durability in your case. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out on the IGL Coatings Australia website. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.